I'm in Michigan at the Country Dairy Farm Store. This is a great creamery. It has great ice cream and it has great stuff to paint. Partly you could decide to paint the cows, the buildings, the tractors, the fields, the silos, everything that you'd want to paint, all different types of shapes. But what really always interests me when I come here is Bessie. Bessie is a statue of a cow. And usually Bessie has a necklace of roses. Now it's hot here and it's sunny and there's a lot of traffic. So I will probably do, and a lot of kids, I will probably do a few sketches and then take photographs. The best thing about painting at a creamery is that you get to reward yourself with ice cream. So enjoy your painting, enjoy taking photographs, and enjoy your ice cream. And I'll see you farther down the watercolor road.